And now when you see that, you said, what? When I don't have a good night's sleep, it's
Moody.
moody, and
It's hard to control the kids. Really hard.
our current mattress, we had it last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we buy it because it's supposed to make us sleep better, but
It's not the case.
it's not.
Yeah, it's not the case.
We want to try something new and hope it will work for us.
Yeah. It's actually nice.
Oh. Oh.
It's actually very nice.
Oh, my back feels better already.
Can I sleep?
At first touch, yes, I feel like really comfortable, and
When it moves, my side doesn't move.
I think that
This will cost like,
to
yeah, it's too comfortable to be true. Oh my God, it's a topper.
And now when you see that, you said, what?
It's like there's a new mattress, but it's no mattress. Wait, so you're telling me this little thing made those big changes? Oh my God, so different. Look, and now look.
So anyone who have a old mattress can just buy that and extend the life of their mattress.
Instead of throwing money like we did. We've been having the topper for a week. It's amazing. Very amazing. So far, when one gets up, nobody is bothered. Like, you don't even feel the person left the bed.
I can say before someone change their mattress, they should try topper first. Actually, we was thinking about it, like put topper on all the mattress that we have at home. Yes, we recommended Dormeo topper to friends or family.
They got pillows too.